In this video, we are going to learn how to add images in our web pages or in between the content as well, right? So for adding the images, again you have to go to your dashboard, come on all pages option, and here in whatever page you want to add image, just select that page. Suppose I want to add image in about us page. So here we can see some contents over here, but what I want to add one or two images over here, right, above the content or in between the content. So for that, what we need to do, just here an option called add media. So we'll be taking this one, add media, right? We'll be selecting this. So in media library, see two options are here, upload files and media library. In media library, that means whatever the images you have uploaded for your website, right? So it will be stored over here. And if the new images you are taking, certainly you can take from your system. So click on upload files, select file then. Okay, so from here we'll be selecting image, for example, like, and insert into page. So now we can see this image has been added, but we have to make it in alignment, right? So for that one, just according to you, just you can select it where you want to keep these images, or if you want to, make it large, simply you drag this like that way, right? You can do, or you want to make it in center, just click on this option. So this is for the left alignment, this is for the center, and this is on the right one, right? See, so like that way our content, it will be adjusting. Simply what we'll do, yeah, like that, or otherwise we can reduce the size as well. So just you can set according to you, right? So like this way we'll be keeping, and this content will be setting by pressing enter. Okay, so like we can see here, this image has been added, and one more image. Suppose we want to add in between the content over here. So just press enter and select add media. Select the file location, and from here just to select images, right? So it will be added in your media library. After that, just click on insert into page. So like that way you can see, right? In fact, again you can adjust according to you. So you can make it align left, right, or center, up to you, right? And here what we are doing this time, here on the left side we are taking this image, and on the right side we are showing the content. So like that way you can set and you can work on this. So here is how you can add your images as well. After that, you can update this one. After that, go to your front side and simply click on the page where you have added image. So here we have added in about us. Yeah, cool. So here we can see the images with the content. It is coming, and it is coming like that in the same manner how we set over here, right? So like this way you can add content with images as well.